In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms like Mentimeter. This guide is perfect for creating interactive polls and gathering responses from your audience in real time. Let's dive straight into the steps to get you started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You will see several search results. Look for the official Microsoft Forms link, which should be at the top of the list. This is essential because using the official link ensures you have access to all the latest features. Once you click on the link, the page will load and you will find yourself at the Microsoft Forms homepage. This is where your journey begins. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. You may need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to create one. This step is crucial as logging in allows you to save your forms and access them later. Once logged in, you will be greeted by a clean interface ready for you to start creating your forms. Now click on New Form. This button is typically located at the top of the screen. When you click it, a new form canvas will appear. You will see various options to customize your form. This is an exciting step because it's where your ideas start taking shape. You can add a title and description to your form, guiding your audience on what to expect. After that, add multiple choice questions or open-ended questions. You'll see options labeled choice for multiple choice questions and text for open-ended questions. Click on either option to add your questions. Crafting the right questions is important because it helps engage your audience effectively. Remember to think about what kind of feedback you want to gather. As a tip, keep the question count low, ideally between 1 to 5 questions. This aligns with the fast-paced nature of a live Mentimeter session. Fewer questions mean quicker responses, keeping your audience engaged. Once you're happy with your questions, you are one step closer to collecting responses. Before presenting, ensure your audience can actually access the poll. This is critical for a smooth interaction. Make sure you communicate the access method clearly to your audience. They should be able to join effortlessly, whether using their smartphones or computers. This small step helps avoid confusion later on. Next, click the Collect Responses button in the top right corner. This button allows you to set up how you want to gather responses from your audience. When you click it, options will appear, guiding you to set permissions and access settings. This is vital as it determines how easily your audience can participate in the poll. Under the Permission dropdown, select Anyone can respond. This setting is key because it ensures your audience can join instantly from their smartphones without needing to log into a corporate or school Microsoft account. By making it accessible, you enhance participation and engagement, which is exactly what you want. Now click the large Present button located near the top right. This action will prepare your form for presentation. When you click it, the form will transition into presentation mode. You'll notice how clean and professional it looks, which is important for maintaining the audience's attention. Your screen will instantly go into a full-screen presentation view displaying several important elements. You will see a large auto-generated QR code on the left side of the screen. This QR code allows your audience to scan and join the poll easily. Additionally, simple instructions for the audience on how to scan and connect will appear. This clarity is essential to ensure smooth participation. On the right side of the screen, a blank or updating chart area will be visible. This area will display the responses as they come in, making the entire experience dynamic and interactive. Watching the responses flow in real time adds excitement to your presentation. You are now fully equipped to use Microsoft Forms like Mentimeter, creating engaging and interactive experiences for your audience.